Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about how to download and install Python latest version 3.10.8. So let's start my video. You are using any browser to download this file. I am using here Chrome browser to download this file. Now we will open Chrome browser and search Python download. After searching, several websites will be open. Now click on the first website python.org. After clicking this website, this window will be open. Now see the here Python 3.10.8 will be released. So simple click on the download button to download this file. After clicking this download button, our download will be started. Now our download will be completed. So directly open this file to run this file. Otherwise we go to our download folder and run this file. So here is the download folder and see the downloaded file. Now double click on this file to run this file. After running this file, now this page will be open. Here select on the add to python.exe path and click on the install now to install this file. Accept all permissions and wait some time to install this setup file. Now our installation will be completed. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this video.